Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp Web. Now, functions as a fully independent linked device, meaning your phone no longer needs to be online for it to work. So to set up WhatsApp Web for the first time, open the site and navigate to the whatsapp.com on your computer. Basically web.whatsapp.com. Alright. Now, what you need to do is go here and log in. So you will need to see this web right here. So what you need to do now is take your phone and you need to scan this QR code. With that, you will link the WhatsApp app on your phone with this uh, web here. And with that, you will be logged in to your web WhatsApp uh, application on the web. Okay, so now here on the left sidebar, icons for you will see the chats, then status update. Then we have this one here. I can show you. It's for channels, and then we have also the communities. Then search bar you have here. Search bar you can search specific messages, contacts, or unread chats. If you click here on your profile picture, you will see about, info, or profile picture. And yeah, then you have messaging features, voice, video calls, attachments, voice notes, and so on. Yeah, some keyboard shortcuts we have. Basically, I can show you. You can open up new chat with Control N. On Mac, you have CMD plus N. Then we have new chat, Control Tab also, as you can see. Then we have what we also have archive chat, Control E, or you can mute chat is Control Shift and M. With that, you will mute the chat. So yeah, this is how you can use WhatsApp Web. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.